Hi, welcome back everybody. Tonight, quite late at night, yes, I mean tonight, I'm going to create brief more educational video recording right here on brilliant.org. As previously, though, first time in a few weeks because I haven't recorded for quite quite a long time now. We've been moving on to a new house recently and getting prepared for lots of stuff. So sorry for my apology speaking this. Anyway, let's dive this online course straight into it. Programming and CS, something I want to continue something briefly, give you some interesting topic today. You see this chapter topic called Programming with Variables, displaying you with a pointer, so I'm going to click on it now. That's right, Programming with Variables. As already know here, objective is to supercharge your programming skills with variables and loops. Right, level 1. Previously, I've done using variables, and today the topic is called, yes, multiple variables. Here with the green icon standing here, that's what I'm going to do some exercise today, actually. So I'm going to enter this lesson by clicking on this Start tab right away. So let the lesson begin. There we go. We've just entered, haven't we? Right. You click on this AI tutor. Wait, tutor help coming soon. Here it said, want to know when I can tutor you in this course? You can click on this notify me bell button, but I don't have to. Alright, I don't have to click on it twice, sorry. So let's go to this chapter right away. Let this question begin here. Make all the shapes red. That's pretty simple, so just choose this selection as red here. So everything will apply here from lines 2 to 5. Right, so I'll click check button. That's simply correct, but why? Yes, explanation is here. All the draw blocks use the color variable as an input. So setting the color variable to red makes all the shapes red. So just adjusting this button will apply everything simultaneously. I'll close it, continue. Here's another problem. New power unlocked. You can now control each shape's size with a variable. Now set the size variable to resize all shapes to 50 pixels. Yes, so wait, all shapes to 50 pixels. Wait, color to yellow. I think that color will not change, but size to all 50. Color size. Doesn't matter which color is given, but just size is to exactly 50, right? So lines 3 to 6 will all perform simultaneously, so I'll click check button once more. Oh yeah, that is once again correct, but why? Yes, here. Only in line 2 to be adjusted, as explanation tells us that the size variable is used in all the draw blocks. So setting its value to 50 size all the shapes to exactly 50 pixels as required. See, doesn't matter which color, in here yellow, but size to be exactly 50, right? You just easily understood from what I just explained to you. Anyway, continue. Yes, additional statement is right here. Variables can store all kinds of values. The size variable stores a numerical value, while the color variable stores a word value. Size is integer number and color is word as string. Each variable to be taken into account differently. Right, something you have to memorize from here. Continue. Now, here comes the problem. Set both variables so all shapes are blue and size 100 pixels. So shape must be blue, size to exactly 100. So like this, if I select the following, lines 1 and 2 only, lines 3 to 6 once again perform simultaneously with correct execution carried out. So check button once again. Wait. Oh yes, that's once again correct, but why? Yes. Setting color to blue and size to 100 will make all shapes colored blue and size to 100 pixels accurately as required. Easy peasy, right? I'm not going to repeat that explanation, so continue anyway. Another problem once again. Make all shapes colored green and size to 75 pixels. So it should be this and this. Don't worry about how this line will execute, but time to check. Click on this button. Oh yeah, once again correct. Okay, I'm not going to explain this reasoning. That's so simple to get everything understood whenever this program is executing these lines as required. Just keep moving on and I'll press continue. Oh yes, here comes another additional statement. So I'm going to read out aloud to everyone to get even more understood. Probably more understanding. Let's go. Variables can store any type of value. They are used so often because they make programs easy to read and modify. So the code 6 lines look like this. We've just discovered, but in Python, 6 line will be this, slightly different, but will perform similarly and provide the same output as required. So why not press continue to discover what's coming up next? Yes, finally time for a quick skill check as usual. So you see 3 tabs above, so 3 different questions I'll be encountering. Anyway, here's question number 1. Complete the program. Set all shape sizes to 75 pixels. Okay, don't worry about the color. This should be exactly 75. Check. Of course, this is correct. But why? Okay, let me tell you. I'll give the explanation, but I'm not going to read out loud. You just read everything by heart, so why not do it by yourself then? Here we go anyway. Finished? Okay, I'll close the tab and continue to the next. Here comes question number 2. Modify the program. Make all shapes colored blue and size to 100 pixels. So it should be this and this. Now check it. Woohoo! Correct again. Understood this explanation? If so, I'll close and continue. This is probably the last question encountering here. Yes, that's right. Question number 3. Complete the program. Make all shapes colored yellow and size to 50 pixels. These are all correct, so just modify these. What should be missing? Like this. Both color and size will be defined and featured exactly the same to carry out each line, right? So check. Of course, likely correct. Understand how it works? If so, I'll close it. Yes, as a result, you can see here 3 out of 3 questions successfully answered correctly. So time to finish off this lesson by clicking on this finish tab to end it tonight. Lesson complete. But what's the number here? 125. That's total number of experience points gained from this lesson taken this time around. I'm not going to repeat that, so continue. Boom. Guess what? Here's my another miraculous achievement that I've attained so far in Brilliant.org. 80. That number, what does it say? That's double your previous streak record. Previously highest was 40, so my new record is 80 doubled, so times 2. What a fantastic achievement I've attained so far with the lightning bolt and green icon again, right? You're like this? Anyway, continue. Oh yes, there we are again, back at it. I've just done this lesson, you see, right? Multiple variables with tick means completed. And next lesson, statistic 1.1 has been unlocked. What's the lesson called? Setting variables. Something I want to focus to you, but not right now because I've had enough. Presented everything to you already. That's the end of my educational recording video that I've presented so far. Thanks very much for watching and tuning in. If you enjoy watching this, don't forget to add a like and subscribe. Oh yes. To be honest, I like to tell you why this is so important to my learning skills as well. This is because I want to improve my computing skills, like programming with variables, kind of dealing with every numerical integer and number in everyday life. You also see my subsequent end screen with my logo in the middle and recommended playlists like this educational one and the video you haven't tuned in, or you can just click on either of the following and just stay tuned for more videos. I'll keep uploading them in the future, and why not, yeah, give it a like as always that I've already told you. Anyway, I'm leaving this session now. Just stay tuned for the end screen coming up shortly. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Cheers. Bye, everybody.